I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and immediately entering jiggle mode. Open the home screen, press and hold an app until icons wobble, or long press, then choose Edit Home Screen. Once done, drag primary apps to the dock so they remain visible. This stabilizes access. Make sure folders are created by dropping one icon onto another and label them clearly. You're setting the foundation, now so later moves are faster and consistent. Precision here saves time later. Now you'll refine layout with folders, pages, and the app library. Create folders for categories to reduce clutter, drag apps into folders and arrange by frequency. Place top apps left to right. Then pinch the home screen to enter page management and reorder or hide pages. This changes navigation flow instantly. Make sure to remove rarely used apps from pages by sending them to the app library, which preserves access without visual noise. These steps make daily reach and discovery faster. Finish by adding widgets and fine-tuning spacing so the screen feels intentional. Tap and hold, select plus, then pick widget size and place it where it improves glanceability. Use Smart Stack to cycle content without crowding. Once done, nudge icons for consistent margins and lock your layout mentally. This reduces future reshuffling. If something goes wrong, you can reset the home screen layout in Settings General Transfer or Reset, but use that as a last resort to avoid losing folder structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.